In this video, I will show you how to edit your personal profile in the company. Go to Menu. Click Profile Settings. Click Edit. Enter your first name and last name. Add your role in the company, for example, manager. You can also write a short bio about yourself. This is optional. You can also upload or change your profile picture. Click Save to update your details. Now, go back to the dashboard. As you can see, your profile information is updated. You can also edit your profile directly from here. Thank you for watching!